Rip her open.
Alright.
Carefully, with scissors.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for coming back, checking in. I wanted to do an unboxing video, however I ruined that by being a grumpy old man. So today we're going to do a unboxed video. I purchased this device on Amazon about a week ago to kind of step up our YouTube game. I needed something to hold my phone because that's what I use as a camera. I needed it to hold the phone, and I wanted an external mic. So originally I was looking just for the external mic, but I saw this device and thought I'd give it a try. It seemed the price was okay for what it was. It wasn't that much more than the mic alone, so I went ahead and bit the bullet and got the whole rig. It's got a foam grip U shape, and it came with this attachment for the phone. I have it taped because it busted, but it springs open. You slide your phone in there, and it has a 1/4-20 adapter on it for tripod use. And this is how it attaches to the base. It also has a 1/4-20, so you can pop your critical piece from your tripod onto here. It also came with this light, the microphone, like I said, and this adapter here that has 1, 2, 3 hot shoe slide-in accessory holders. That holds the mic holder. Slides right in. Came with this external light with the battery that slides in. It turns on and is dimmable, so that's pretty cool. Came with 2 cords for connecting audio for the microphone to this one specifically for a smartphone. It also has a coiled one. They're both this 3.5mm headphone jack. It said this one was specifically for phone use, smartphone use, and I'm not sure why the other one wouldn't work. It didn't specify that, and I haven't looked into it. So yeah, this is it. This is our rig. This is what we're using now. Well, not right now, but most of the videos we use this because it allows me to set up the phone on here, hold it steady, set it on a tripod. We've got the external mic, and we've got the light. We got the light here. Oh yeah, this light has 2 lenses that pop off with magnets. Super easy. There's a clear, just a diffuser, and the amber. I like the amber because it gives me that youthful glow that everybody's after. It's a tough world out there, so you got to do what you can. As far as durability, like I said, this busted already, and I'm not going to name any names.
The golden hour effect.
But yeah, that's broken, and this here is busted. I think I can glue that. Maybe some super glue, maybe some hot glue, just a dab of hot glue on that. Let's see. You can see that, yeah, that anti-vibration or anti-shock device just busted. I would blame that on me because I am not very careful. So, yeah, this is our device. I just wanted to share that with you guys. As far as a recommendation, I think it's okay. It's working okay for us now. If you can tolerate a little cheapiness, a little chintziness, or if you're just careful, it would be great. So thanks again for checking in. I really appreciate all you guys watching these videos. I know some of them are kind of silly. I know a lot of the quality is poor. So hang in there. We're getting better every day. And we will see you on the next one. Oh, yeah. This thing. So I was looking into mics and stuff, and I noticed this is called a dead cat.
I think it's called a dead cat.
Who named that a dead cat? Like, if anybody knows where the name comes from, please let me know, because I want to hunt that person down and shake their hand, because that is hilarious. All right, guys, have a good one. Take care. I'll see you next time.
Okay, we're gonna edit most of this out. So, yeah, leave a comment, subscribe if you like, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Goodbye.
And we're gonna do something else.
Okay. Wow.
Thank you.
In the next today, we're gonna